Hello and welcome to Cairo Implant Academy. My name is Dr. Elkhadem. I'm a professor of prosthodontics in Cairo University. I'm the owner and director of the Cairo Implant Academy. I'm excited to announce our collaboration with the Practical Implantology Academy in UK to launch our comprehensive All-on-X full arch course here in Cairo next February. The course will cover the science, the evidence, and the technology behind construction of full arch All-on-X restoration, starting from digital planning to surgical execution with immediate loading with all the technical and laboratory procedures. Each candidate will be treating at least 2 cases where he's going to make a plan, design a surgical guide, and perform the surgical installation of those patients. Additionally, he will be able to perform immediate temporization for those patients, implementing different temporization protocols. The candidates shall be able to learn all about the clinical and the laboratory procedure for construction of the definitive restoration and will be able to monitor the whole workflow performed inside the academy. Looking forward to welcoming you all next February and see you soon. Thank you.